friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking this Trader Joe's breaded crispy shiitake mushrooms in the air fryer. So these are breaded mushrooms. We're cooking them straight from frozen, and air fryer is the perfect tool for the job. So let's open up the package of these frozen mushrooms. And take out the air fryer basket and put them in the air fryer in a single layer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to set the time to 10 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Wow, look at these crispy breaded mushrooms. They look amazing, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Do you hear how crunchy is the breading? So good. Now let's take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. Looks so good. So these are upside down. I just think they look better like this. But as you can see, they're brown on both sides. Even though I didn't flip them, air fry, the way it cooks, it circulates the air and browns both sides. Looks so good. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I'll just cut a mushroom because they're so hot. I just don't want to put this whole big thing in my mouth. So I'm just trying to cut it to have a smaller piece. So see, the mushroom is perfectly cooked and the breading is so crunchy. Looks so good. Perfect. The mushroom is super juicy and the breading is so crunchy. This is a great combination. You bite into this breading and you taste this juicy, moist mushroom inside. So good. And this kind of crunch, it really tastes as if it was deep fried, but it was air fried. Air fryer is perfect for things like this. It's really the best tool for the job. Give it a try. You will love it. And these breaded mushrooms are so good. I got them at Trader Joe's. Other stores probably have different brands of breaded mushrooms. You can use the same instructions. Comes out so delicious. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!